Got money on my mind, I swear I'm gonna win, even if it kills me. I got money on my mind, the only way I'm gonna rest is if these motherfuckers kill me. I got money on my mind.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in the middle of changing all the tensioners on the E46 on the M54 because as you'll see right here, when you spin it, these are making a grinding sound, which means the bearings are shot in the idler pulley and it's causing a lot of problems on the drivetrain system. And what I'm worried about is that the belt's going to end up slipping off. So we've got the new ones. I'm doing it today. I've just been out in it. It's getting worse and worse, so I have to get them changed. Now, I've got them using the Hero 7. As you guys see, I'm not really dressed, ready to be doing this, but this has to be changed and it's be done now. So I thought I was going to let you guys see how it's done and obviously not let you guys miss out because obviously, as you know, I haven't posted. So this is going to be a just quick video showing you how to change the idler pulley and the tensioner. As you'll see here, I've took the fan off already, the clutch fan with the 32mm spanner. You bang it obviously to the right, goes to reverse thread. Take out the fan support as well, the radiator shroud and everything else. And then just get to your tensioners. You guys see me do that enough times to get to it already. So now what we're just going to be doing is changing the idler pulley and the tensioner itself down there. So we're going to take off this one right here. We need to take this cap off and just disconnect it. And do remember, these have got to be re-torqued. We're going to give you the torque specs in just a sec, but let's get the tools in. Let's get that one off. So as you'll see, that's the idler pulley right there, and as you'll see, it's a bit messed up. It's probably original part. It needs changing. As you do remember as well, when you with this hole, if you're going to use this hole, to make sure you reposition it correctly before bolting it back on. Now we're going to bolt that back on after we change the tensioner as well, because I'm changing the tensioner, not just this. So we're going to change them all. This is a bit hot to hold, to spin, but I know it's gone. It needs to be changed. So we're going to be changing the tensioner as well. So let's go and get the tensioner out and let's get a new tensioner in. So as you'll see here guys, that's one of the 14mm bolts. These are 14mm. You want to be careful taking them out. They're not as long as the idler pulley bolt. We are trying to get the one underneath now as well, which the pulley's already come loose. We just need to, this is all by feel. Now it's out, which is right here. And there's the other 14mm bolt right there. So we're going to take that out and set that aside. This is the old tensioner, which are now going to be repositioning and putting back in. So let's go get the other tensioner and put the other tensioner back in. So I'm just going to tighten this one down a little bit, and then we're going to put the other one in line, and then we'll torque them down. So now what we're going to do is get the other bolt, and you're going to want to go underneath. Now you are seeing me swivel this camera, that's because I've got it on my chest, so it's not so easy for you guys to really see. So now what we want to do is get the other one in the hole, which is right here. As you can see guys, I'm now going to use the socket. I can scald myself on the radiator, but I have no choice. I have to get this done. So as you'll see here, I'm tightening them up bit by bit. It can take some time, especially when you're manually threading them in. Which I've just done. I've manually threaded all the bolts in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to torque them up. And then what we're going to do is put the idler pulley back on after. So as you see guys, now I'm going to torque them up. So these are 24 Newton meters, which is 18 foot-pounds to be precise, because I know a lot of you guys in the US don't know that, what it is in Newton meters. And as you see, it's clicked. So now what we're going to do is go to the other side, if we can, without burning ourselves again for the probably 7th time. And we're probably going to have to use an extension, which we now got. They're all done. So it's 24 Newton meters and 18 foot-pounds. So now the next one. Now, as you'll see right there, there's a dot. Now what you've got to do to get this bang on, we've now nearly finished this. Now what we're going to do is switch to our little handy retractable socket and tighten it back up. You guys have got this torqued to 45 Newton meters. And that's done. Now that's all you need for this. Now that's done. Now what we can go ahead and do is release the tension with our 60mm socket again anyway, and then we can put the belts back on, and that's the job done. So guys, as you'll see there, everything's now back together. Now what I'm going to show you is the belt routine. And as you'll see, because I've got the Hero 7, you guys, I can get you right in there now to see everything, which is now why I'm using the Hero 7, so you guys don't miss anything anymore. You can see the belt routine, the way it goes. So when you take it off from the tensioner here, what you want to do is just make sure wrap it round and under the idler pulley, over the alternator, round crankshaft pulley, back over the water pump, and then into the tensioner. It's not very hard to do. As I said, I've done this job in less than 10 minutes. Most people take some 40, and I've managed to torque all the bolts up and do everything else. So it's not a hard job at all. If you've got a locking pin, you can lift the tensioner up and lock the tensioner right here with a pin and just shove it in to hold it in place so you don't ever lose the position. So you can get the belt round and not have to worry about it. But if you know the way it goes, you don't have to worry about that, like I did. But as you can see, guys, that's the job done. Now what we're gonna do is put the fan back on and we're gonna close this video out. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's the idler pulley and the tensioner complete. It was just really a quick video to show you guys how to do it, and like I said, it was nothing major. I haven't really posted anything, so I thought I'd just post this. I was going to do it without recording, but it just didn't make sense. Obviously I need to let you guys know I'm still around and I'm still posting videos. We've got a lot coming up so far. We may be carrying on with the diesel, so we may be seeing the swell flat blanks being done and the EGR blank being done, and also the glow plug module, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove the glow plugs on that. But this was just a quick video. It needed changing. Obviously all the coolant and everything that got over it in the process probably destroyed it and destroyed the bearings inside it, so we've changed that. That's all done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start it up, see if it runs and see if that growling noise goes away. Hopefully it does, and that's it. Job done, guys. You'll see the new chest mount I've been using for the Hero 7, so you guys can come with me on the trip. As Nathan said in his pre video as well, you guys will know he's getting a Hero 7. I told him to get it because I've already got it. I've been trying to use it. Let me know what you guys think about it, what the image you saw, how clear it was. If it isn't so clear, what we'll do is do the head mount next. I just want to try the chest mount, see what you guys think about it. I like to get your opinions on what you think. If you do like it, let me know. If you don't, we'll go to the head mount and see how that works out until we get where you can see actually close everything in without me having to use this bloody tripod and having to take you over to it. So as you'll see, guys, the engine started, and that annoying rumbling noise is now gone from the engine. Thank the bloody Lord, because that was a complete annoying grumbling sound, even at idle. So that's now gone. Now we've replaced the pulleys. It was only the one pulley, but I still replaced the tension anyway. So as you see, this guy's already been overhauled once, and now I've just overhauled it even more. I didn't really want to do them pulleys, but I did anyway, so now that's even another job done. I did replace the belt when I did the water pump and everything, so really I should have done the tension and the idler pulley, but I never. Thank you for watching, guys, as always. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's nothing really big, but you know, it is what it is. We've tried to make a video at least to let you guys know I'm still here, and obviously I'm still posting. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.